So, good day everyone. Another week, another tutorial. So, kita ko sa inyo kung paano faded ng animation. So, parang makikita mo siya sa transition ng mga editing app. Pero, in terms of playback clip, ang gagawin natin, set natin si eraser. Yung sinet ko kanina, which is yung mas mababa na parang value ng color, ay value ng eraser, which is kanina yung 10. Then, i-huge natin na mas bigger yung size ng eraser. Then after that is we need to erase. Then copy and paste yung nagawa natin kanina and taasan ulit taasan natin yung eraser yung kapal niya. So, taasan natin, magiging 30, 40, 50, 60, 100. At makikita natin na dito is unti-unting nagiging mapusyaw. Wow, matagalog. Unti-unting mapusyaw yung kulay ng nasa drawing. So, syempre, kailangan mag-drawing muna. So, eto, pwede ito magawa sa isang editing. Pero kung meron kayong mga scenes na need mag-faded or parang magte-teleport siya, or unti-unting mawala, we should use this trick. Napakadali lamang itong gawin. So, kung mapapansin natin, unti-unti nang nagbabago yung kulay ng nasa drawing. So, like what I said earlier, ang gagawin natin is iset yung eraser sa pinakamababang value nito. Then, paunti-unti natin siyang pataasin yung value or yung kapal ng eraser. Then, dapat yung size ng eraser natin is huge para mas madalian tayo. Then, copy and paste. Then, paulit-ulit lang yung step and until yung eraser is mag 100, which means ibig sabihin is magdi-disappear na yung nasa drawing. So let's watch. So this tricks is perfect if you have a scenes that the characters have a power to teleport and go to other places. So ito yung pinaka-perfect or yung nagiging invisible siya, parang ganun. So next, I want you to learn kung paano ba gumagalaw yung background ng isang background ng animation through Flipback Clip. Thank you guys. Bye. Thank you.